Hey guys, we're here at my mom's work, and my grandma's gonna be picking us up later.
Pick us up.
But she got us some food.
Food.
And he got pancakes.
We
We had a dentist appointment this morning. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cavities. Just kidding. I only have one little one, tiny one. And
0 for me.
yeah.
You know what?
What's up, guys? So I've only done 2 full clips today, so bear with me because they're not always gonna be exciting vlogs. There's gonna be some bad vlogs and some good vlogs, but yesterday's vlog was a very long vlog, so hopefully it's making up for this one. But I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I can because we're just been here doing homework. So yeah, and we finally know when we're gonna go get fireworks. It's gonna be on Friday. So Saturday's vlog, you'll see us shopping for fireworks. Yeah. So it's gonna be so fun. Warping back home, guys.
Hello, beautiful world.
So my auntie's my mom went to Walmart. My auntie's coming over
Hey.
in about 40 minutes. At 5. So, but my brother wants to show you a picture of his dream dog. You guys might have seen him in background of my vlogs and stuff. But here's all the hype. Here's the 20-second hype. And here we...
So this
Ha! Okay. Alright, ready? Okay, guys, here it is. Ready? Oh my god. I can't believe I'm showing you this. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm showing you this. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm showing you this. Ready? Set. God, it's me when I was a baby at the M&M store. That's his dream dog. M&M's and a baby. Oh. Okay, that was so dumb. All right, here it is.
this is for you, Fousey.
Fousey, if you're watching this, probably not. You probably know that you have Dollar Muffin. Hope Dollar is okay in the hospital.
Hello, Dollar.
Hope Dollar's okay in the hospital. I just watched your vlog or your episode, and you said that Dollar was in the hospital and he had to stay there overnight. Hope he's okay.
Team Butterfly.
And I love Dollar and Muffin. If you don't know who those are, go to Dose of Fousey on YouTube and subscribe and watch his videos. You'll know who Dollar and Muffin is. Muffin is a Maltese, a teacup Maltese, and Dollar is a teacup Yorkie. That's a teacup Yorkie, but that's a girl. Dollar's a boy. The Maltese is a girl. They get along really well. They're so cute. Go check them out. And yeah. Alright, guys, so my aunt just got here, and I'm gonna try to make a YouTube play button out of Sharpie and this. So it's gonna be like a tutorial. So I'm gonna try to make it a video. I need a tripod. I don't have a tripod, but I'm gonna go try to find something to hold it. I got 2. One if I mess up. So I'm just gonna do it on this part where it's solid, not where there's the hole. So I got that right there. Alright. Perfect. Alright, so first I'm gonna draw it out with the Sharpie. Might be a little windy. Sorry. Okay. Alright, maybe I should get a straight edge. Let me find my straight edge. Found it. Was thinking that was gonna move, but man, actually did it. So there it is right there. It's probably the size of a medium, a little bigger than the 1 mil. I mean, a little bigger than the. Oh, really? This knife don't have. Oh, this is a confusing knife. All right, let me. Here, I found a knife right here. This one's been in the sun, so it's hot. It's a gold one. Haha. Alright. It's probably a little bigger than the 100 mil. No, please, please. Oh, this ain't gonna work, guys. Oh, I should have done that. Alright, I'm gonna break it. Alright. Boom. Like that. I'm gonna line this up more. Alright. There's dogs barking, guys, so please excuse that. Alright. We almost done. Alright. Okay, guys, we almost done. It's looking okay. I'm gonna. Oh, really? It wasn't even filming. Okay, it's looking pretty good. If this one turns out how I wanted it, I'll just keep this one. If not, then I'm just gonna make one off camera. I'm trying to draw the triangle. Oh, this looks horrible, guys. Alright, I think I'm gonna make a different one. Alright, guys. It's already nighttime. Can't believe it. That's gonna be the end of this vlog. Sorry guys, I didn't vlog much. Please, let this one slip. Oh man, I was just off today, so forgive me for that. Tomorrow's vlog should be good. I'm not promising, but it should be. And you can and you will. Roll that out to bro. Oh!